Hello guys, today in this video we are going to help you to find out the best clothes racks in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 10. Costway 2-Tier Bamboo Garment Rack. Unlike the rest of the racks we recommend that are made of metal, the Costway 2-Tier Bamboo Garment Rack is made of bamboo, and is also the only pick on our list that we haven't formally tested. That said, we've tested several other clothing racks made of this material, including the Urban Outfitters Levy clothing rack, which is sadly no longer available. Once assembled, a bamboo clothing rack like this one can look beautiful and provide you with all kinds of space for storing your favorite pieces. In particular, we love that this Costway rack has both upper and lower shelves. The lower shelf has some wide slats and a 66-pound weight limit, so you can comfortably store shoes without fearing that they'll fall through. The top shelf has a 33-pound weight limit, making it great for accessories, hats, or a small stack of tees. Number 9. Yamazaki Home Freestanding Steel and Wood Hanger. Creating storage in a small space is no problem with the help of the Yamazaki Home Freestanding Steel and Wood Hanger. This more compact option can comfortably fit one or two outfits on its single rod and a pair of shoes on its bottom shelf. You can also hang items off its top corners if you're hoping to show off a hat or bag similar to a coat rack. The items we tested the rack with, including a jacket, sweater, pair of pants, vest, shoes, and more, fit nicely, and the rack proved to be lightweight and easy to move, despite not having wheels. The assembly process was a breeze, as well, only taking about 5 minutes. This was a major departure from all the other racks we tested, which took an average of 30 minutes to set up. Plus, we set it up that quickly despite not having clear instructions. Number 8. Honey Can Do Chrome Rolling Clothing Rack. The Honey Can Do Chrome Rolling Clothing Rack was our favorite rolling rack from our testing. Along with the convenience of its wheels, its design includes 3 shelves and 1 rod for maximum storage. The rod held up particularly well in the face of the 10-pound bags. The brand lists a 50-pound weight capacity for the bar and 200 pounds for each shelf, which bodes well for its overall durability. The chrome finish on the rack, similar to that of our best value pick, definitely makes it look more utilitarian in person. But we think this aesthetic makes it the perfect option for a garage, laundry room, or basement storage room. This could even be a good rack for an office. The wheels transition from a rug to a hard floor with ease. Aside from pieces from your closet, you could load it up with big boxes of snacks, bottles of laundry detergent, or multiple baskets of clothes. You name it. Number 7. Simple Houseware Standard Rod Garment Rack. While this simple houseware garment rack isn't the fanciest or most spacious on the market, it has the basics to ensure you can hang up your favorite pieces, and the bonus of an extendable rod for added space. Given the lower price tag, we weren't sure what to expect from its durability, but we found it to be really strong. It sports a weight limit of 250 pounds, which is way more than the 2 10-pound bags we tested it with. Compared to other clothing racks, the setup process for this product was fairly simple, especially because the necessary tools were provided. We do wish the pieces were labeled though, because the metal rods all looked very similar. We were able to easily roll the rack on its wheels from a rug to a hard floor without fear of it tipping over. Number 6. Brabantio Lin Large White Clothes Rack. Out of all the clothing racks we tested, the Brabantio Lin Large Clothes Rack is our favorite. It's a long-lasting, stylish, and spacious piece that you can purchase in 3 different sizes, small, large, and compact, and in 2 different colors, white or black. We tested the large white version in the lab and found it to be very simple and pretty. The aesthetic design can easily complement your belongings, your clothes, your shoes, and a handbag or 2, and make them into a true centerpiece of your home. Since our original test, our editor has owned and used this clothes rack in her own home for 3 years. In that time frame, it survived moving and being disassembled and reassembled multiple times. Initially, setting up this rack took about 45 minutes, and if you have any experience assembling furniture, following along with the instruction manual may not be too difficult. However, you do need to be very careful when lifting the rod above your head and placing the bars in their connection points prior to adding the screws. Number 5. Brabantio Lift-O-Matic Rotary Dryer Clothes Line. If you need to air dry large loads of laundry outside, Probancia's Lift-O-Matic Clothes line is a sturdy and practical solution. With 197 feet of total drying space, this rotary-style rack can handle up to 4 full machine loads at once. We've been impressed with all the products we tested from Probancia, so we are comfortable recommending this outdoor dryer. Our experts appreciate the smart, height-adjustable design, ranging from just over 4 feet to more than 6 feet, which makes it easy to hang clothes without reaching or stooping. Whether you're drying everyday garments or bulky items like comforters and towels, there's plenty of space to work with. The lines remain taut thanks to a clever tensioning system, and built-in holes on each arm let you hang clothes on hangers without them slipping. The ground spike creates a secure base for setting it up in your yard, and the included cover helps protect the lines from the elements when not in use. If your laundry routine could benefit from fresh air and sunshine, this is the rack to beat. Number 4. OXO Good Grips Folding Sweater Drying Rack. OXO's folding sweater drying rack is a smart choice for anyone who regularly air dries delicate items like sweaters, knits, or workout gear. The generously sized mesh surface allows garments to dry flat without stretching or losing their shape. Our experts like that it's lightweight yet sturdy, and the mesh encourages airflow for quick drying. The rack's legs are offset from the corners so it can sit securely on countertops, washing machines, or other flat surfaces without tipping. When you're finished using it, the legs fold in and the entire rack folds in half, making it easy to store in a closet or laundry cabinet. It's a simple solution that doesn't take up much space, and if you need more drying area, multiple units can be stacked securely with extra clearance between layers. We tested this style of rack in the lab and at home, and it continues to be a favorite for its durability and smart design. Number 3. Probancia Over-Door Drying Rack. This well-designed over-the-door drying rack from Probancia is a practical pick for anyone looking to add extra drying space without permanent installation. It requires no setup. Just unfold the arms and hook them over the top of a door. The adjustable arms can slide along the frame to fit different door widths, and a locking mechanism keeps everything secure whether it's in use or folded flat for storage. The rack provides 6 sturdy rungs, plus the outer frame, offering nearly 15 feet of usable space for drying clothing, towels, or delicates. Rubberized pads help prevent scratches and slipping, while large square hooks allow it to fit over thick or paneled doors. Testers appreciated its versatility for drying small laundry loads or delicate items that need to lie flat. Number 2. Honey Can Do Tabletop Gull-Wing Drying Rack. Compact, functional, and surprisingly sturdy, the Honey Can Do Tabletop Gull-Wing Drying Rack is a go-to for anyone short on space. Whether you're air drying a sweater or a few delicates, this small but capable rack fits neatly on a countertop, table, or even a deep windowsill, and folds flat when you're done. Carolyn Forte, Executive Director of the Good Housekeeping Institute's Home Care and Cleaning Lab, has personally relied on this model for years. "I've used it for years and love it," she said. "It folds flat so I can stash it away in a cabinet, and it offers ample drying space for a small rack, even a mesh bottom for laying sweaters flat. It's well built, easy to set up, and fits virtually anywhere, but the size does limit capacity. It's best for a few small items and isn't designed for large garments or hang drying. Still, if you need a compact drying solution that's reliable and unobtrusive, this one checks all the boxes." Number 1. Probancia Hang-On Laundry Drying Rack. This all-in-one drying rack from Probancia impressed our testers for its thoughtful design, generous capacity, and ease of use. It requires no assembly. Just unfold the legs, raise the side racks, and it's ready to go. Each side rack can be set flat or angled upward depending on your laundry needs, and the small middle rack is perfect for socks, undergarments, or hand towels. What sets it apart is the built-in hanging rail with integrated hooks, ideal for hang-drying shirts, dresses, and delicates that benefit from a little extra structure. There are 4 hanger slots on each side panel, plus hooks on the garment rail ends for even more vertical space. When you're done, the rail folds down to make the rack more compact for storage.